Small Intestine Disorders. Introduction. Most nutrients are absorbed and digested in the small intestine. Select true or false. Correct. Digested food goes from the stomach to the small intestines, where most nutrients are further digested and absorbed into the body. Adam has had diarrhea for many weeks. He has been losing weight without trying and has a burning pain in his stomach at night. Should he contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Adam's symptoms could be caused by a small intestine disorder. He should contact his healthcare provider right away. Which one of the following statements about celiac disease is true? Choose one of the following options. 1. Celiac disease is an immune disease. 2. Celiac disease damages the small intestine. 3. Celiac disease is genetic. 4. All of the above. Correct. Crohn's disease can be cured with surgery. Select true or false. Correct. There is no cure for Crohn's disease, although treatment is usually successful in reducing symptoms. Eating a high-fat diet can raise a person's risk for intestinal cancer. Select true or false. Correct. Eating a high-fat diet or having certain digestive problems can raise a person's risk for intestinal cancer. Thank you for using Explain.